How to change your cover on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and now once you're here click these 3 points and then click edit profile. If you can't find here change cover, just click edit profile and here we'll find it, change cover. Just click on it and you can change your cover, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.